Okay, in today's video I'm going to look at TWLO again, and I'm pretty sure that I gave you some levels on it about a week ago and they didn't hold. Okay, so what's next? That's probably the reason why it was asked for again in the breakout session today. So one of the things that I shared before was the fact that we met almost 3 targets to the upside off of the last setup told us that if we didn't hold above the shorter term symmetry, then we have to be prepared for at least a deeper downside correction. So I've run the levels again, and I have 3 standout areas for support. First one we're on top of right here, right now, 118.32 to 1, let's see, actually I think I have to change this to 118.89. So let's change that one. All right, and then underneath that, 114.20 to 116.04. And underneath that, which would be my last pitch support that I'd be interested in, is 108.67 to 110.26. Now, since we don't know which, if any, of these zones are going to hold up, I wait for a trigger that tells you that it's worth placing a bet. I've posted the trigger videos multiple times on Twitter, so you'll be able to go back and find it somewhere in there. But that's what you want to wait for, because the trigger will tell you which of these zones might be good. Now, besides that, I also ran a timing histogram off of this high, and I ran another timing histogram off of this high. And both of them point to, the next few days as timing for a possible intermediate low to develop. Okay, so know that we have time and price coming together. What we probably don't have just yet is a trigger beyond, I know that there was at least a short-term intraday buy trigger for a day trade, but not quite sure if we've triggered to keep this overnight just yet. But let's say we do hold above support, then what would our target be? The 1272 extension of the swing into the zone. So whatever, we end up making the low into, we're just going to run the 1272 and 1618 extensions, and those will be the official targets for the trade.